In this video, I'll be showing you how to change and customize themes in Windows 11. So the first step is place your cursor on this Windows icon, right click on it and go to settings. Then on the left hand side, you'll see a personalization icon or button. You click on it. You can also right click on blank space on your monitor, then go to personalize. Like that, you'll also will still arrive at the same page. And you'll notice that at the top here we have predefined or quick access templates that are already provided by the system. So if I choose this one here, this template, and minimize, you can see that that kind of a theme is applied. Or if I decide to choose this dark one, you can see that quickly it's applied. So, but in some cases, you may want to customize your own theme. For that, click on themes. Then at the top, you can see that now everything changes. Click on this use custom theme. And then the first thing to set is the background. Let's say that I want to create or to have my own image. Just click on it, and then under backup your picture, and under this, the first section, you click on make sure that you may find that the Windows Spotlight is selected, but just change that to picture. And we're going to change that photo. So under the same section, the first one here, backup picture folder, make sure that you click on browse photos and choose a photo. Click on that button, then navigate to the place where you have your picture. Mine is right here, and I'm going to choose that. So the moment you choose that and minimize this, you can see that the background picture of my choice has been selected as a theme. So you can do some settings as well. So if I go back, just on the same page, I can decide to change the color. Here I can decide to pick a color that I want, and I want you to notice to check on this. I can decide to change and choose that. You can see the color of buttons of this, and it get applied on each and every item that. So if I click that, you can see that it changes. You can do some settings there. So you can also change the sound. You can do some sound settings, and also the mouse cursor. You can select the kind of mouse that you want for your system. So and then so that's the second method. You can see that if you're happy, you can now leave it at that. But if you want more dynamic themes, you can get them by clicking on, or you can download them from Microsoft Store. And you can do that by going back to a theme. Just click on themes again, and under themes, you'll see this. Under the current themes, at the bottom of that section, you'll see get more themes from Microsoft Store. You click on this browse themes button, and you need internet connection for this. So it will take some time to load all the available themes that Microsoft has to offer. So you scroll down and look for the one that you want. Let's say I want the baby animals, this one's here. I click on it, and it's going to load up that particular theme. And the moment I click on install, So it's loading the same theme. And I repeat, for this you need internet connection. So it's you can see that it automatically start installing the theme, and then you'll get a notification when the theme is installed, is fully installed. So you can see the notification here that the theme is already installed. So if I go back and go back again, just click on, or just close that Microsoft Store, and you can see under the current themes, you can see now we have these baby animals among these other themes. So if I choose that and minimize that, you can see the theme is applied. So that marks the end of this tutorial. I hope that you have learned something new today, and see you.